Do you have worn golf grips? This driver was given to me by my grandpa, and it's seen over 1,000 swings. And over the time, the grip has gotten worse. I used to think it was hard to regrip them yourselves, but I'll show you in a quick, easy way to regrip your golf clubs. This is an example of a golf grip that needs to be regripped. The tools you need to regrip your golf grips is first a clamp. Second is a golf holder, or you could use a towel or something to not scratch it. You need golf tape, a golf cutter hook, golf solvent, and of course your new golf grip. Now you're gonna put your golf club in this grip thing and then put this and clamp it down. Now you'll need to remove the golf grip with this sharp hook. And so you're gonna start at the top and then pull it all the way through. And the key is to keep this actually angled up so you don't scrape your shaft. Now you're gonna pull it off. Now the next step is to remove the old tape. And what I find is that obviously this is an old one. You need to heat it up with a blow dryer. Now that the tape is hot, you just want to remove all of this old tape. See how easy that comes off now that's warm? Now you want to get your golf tape and apply it 1/4 inch off of the shaft, like that. You do one side at a time. Like that. Now you want to remove this other. The whole key is to go slow, because it will wrinkle if you go fast. Now you want to ball the tape into the shaft. Just like to do the 4 corners, push it in like this, make sure that. You want to make sure to have a bucket for your spillage of solvent. Now you take your new grip, you want to plug your finger on this hole right here, and then take your solvent and then get a couple squeezes in there. You want to use more than less because you do not want any part sticky. I like to then plug this, shake it up, and then you pour it on the sticky tape. Now you want to press down. Now it's super slick. You want to press down, make sure that no part is sticky on the tape, and make sure that tape is stuck on there. The last step is to put on the grip, and you will just stick it on like this and push it in. And there you have it, a new installed golf grip.